Today we enter a world where wood is no longer just wood, where scraps are no longer scraps, and where your future bestseller may currently be sitting in someone's garage waiting to be rescued. Because today, we are exploring inspiring woodcraft art ideas for your home decor, featuring unique and creative designs that not only look awesome, but can actually turn into profitable projects that customers are lining up to buy even before the glue dries. Every plank has a purpose. You just have to reveal it. This journey begins at the moment when you pick up a raw piece of solid wood. Maybe it's rough, maybe it's shaped weirdly, maybe it looks like an oversized potato chip, but inside that oddly shaped block is something beautiful and valuable, and woodcraft is the tool that helps us unlock it. Transformation happens one cut at a time. You don't need a workshop that looks like a Hollywood movie scene, and you don't need $3,000 worth of machines humming in the background. Sometimes all you need is a basic saw, sandpaper, glue, and at least 3 fingers, but preferably 10. Your creativity is your most expensive tool. Everything else is optional. Imagine you start with simple decorative wooden blocks, solid wood cubes, rectangular slices, or rustic slabs. You engrave initials, carve floral outlines, or burn minimalist symbols with a wood burner, and suddenly it becomes personalized home decor that sells better than freshly baked cookies at a wedding. Personalization turns ordinary into unforgettable. Now think of living room tabletops, bare spaces desperately waiting for something that says elegance, personality, and handmade uniqueness. You could design small sculpted wood pieces shaped like abstract waves, tiny mountain silhouettes, or simply curvy, polished decorative forms that catch light beautifully. Simplicity becomes luxury when shaped with intention. You can also create wooden wall accents, panels made of layered wood rectangles, strips assembled like mosaics, or patterns inspired by architecture, landscapes, even Minecraft blocks because, yes, pixelated geometry is trending. And yes, people will gladly pay for something that looks like a real-life digital texture. Art doesn't copy life. Art redesigns life in wood. Let's go deeper. Wooden shadow art. This is a unique trend where we intentionally carve silhouettes that cast interesting shadows when placed near soft light. Imagine wooden moon shapes, skyline outlines, or sculpted nature scenes mounted near a lamp. Customers don't just see decor. They see ambience, storytelling, atmosphere. When wood meets light, magic happens. Another easy-to-make, but surprisingly profitable project is wooden mini planter wall decor. Yes, mini planters. Simple cutouts, tiny holes, polished surfaces, and one succulent, tiny cactus or artificial plant, and suddenly your decor piece becomes functional living art. Even non-plant people will buy it because it looks like they care about nature without having to water anything. When wood supports life, it becomes part of nature again. Now, let's talk about the underrated hero of all decor, wooden shelves. Not just normal straight shelves, but funny, artistic, statement-making shelves. Shelves shaped like speech bubbles. Shelves shaped like a floating cat. Shelves shaped like a crooked staircase designed specifically for people whose level isn't level enough. Imperfection makes people smile, and smiling is priceless. Customers love pieces that look handmade deliberately, not factory perfect. Slight curves, irregular grain patterns, natural knots. These imperfections sell because they symbolize authenticity, identity, and natural originality. Handmade means human, and human means priceless. Next, let's explore wooden tabletop sculptures. Small pieces shaped by sanding curves, chamfered edges, or layered profiles. You don't need advanced carving. Sometimes soft organic shapes, painted matte black, sell like luxury art from boutique galleries. Shape the wood gently, and it becomes elegant without effort. One of the most profitable ideas today is layered wood art panels. Take multiple thin pieces, laser or hand-cut shapes, leaves, mountains, waves, curves, stack them, and glue them. Suddenly your creation has depth, texture, contrast, and a 3-dimensional presence. Layering is storytelling. Each layer adds meaning. Now imagine wooden letter decor. Big initials, family name plates, personalized quotes, customized name plaques. People buy letter decor for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, anniversaries, and baby rooms, meaning your woodwork isn't just decor, it's part of celebrations and memories. When your craft enters someone's milestone moment, it lives forever. Another easy bestseller is wood-burned art. You don't need advanced drawing skills. Minimalistic outlines, geometric shapes, leaf silhouettes, or quotes burned into rustic would sell beautifully. Burned details stay forever, like permanent emotion etched in wood. Wood candle stands are another favorite. Rustic candle holders made from reclaimed wood or small blocks drilled and sanded smooth can instantly transform a dining space. Add a small brass insert, and suddenly the price triples, because when wood meets metal, customers assume you are a designer genius. Small upgrades create big perceived value. Now picture wooden trays, serving trays, jewelry trays, coffee trays. Add carved handles, natural bark edges, resin accent sides, or minimal engraved details, and the tray becomes art. Trays are profitable because they are both functional and decorative. Utility plus beauty equals instant high-value product. At this point, your viewers are imagining not just decor, but decor that earns income, decor that tells their story, decor they can sell online or locally. Crafting something beautiful becomes profitable when someone sees beauty in it. Wood home decor succeeds best when it appeals to emotion, nostalgia, comfort, gratitude, belonging. That is why handmade wooden decor will always have value, because mass production will never replace soul. Where machine stops, hand creativity begins. Now we close this journey with a simple truth. Wood is patient. Wood has waited years, maybe decades, growing, maturing, strengthening. When you turn wood into decor, you honor its journey and extend its life. You don't just decorate a home, you give wood a second life. So today, right now, you can start with scraps, simple tools, and one creative idea. Start small, start messy, start imperfect, but start. Because somewhere out there, someone is waiting to buy something only you can make. Your first creation may not be perfect, but it will be meaningful. Create something beautiful. Create something funny. Create something emotional. Create something profitable. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, every bar of gold has a history, and now you know the journey it takes to achieve perfection. Until next time, keep crafting.